everybody, welcome to We Review Coffee with Mel. Today we have a hand grinder. So this is a hand grinder from China, Diguo. This company has been around for some times in the market, and let's explore about this hand grinder. Inside this box, it comes with this canvas bag which helps to keep this grinder safe, and it's nice. And this small little brush which helps to clean the grinder. And this grinder is comes in 4 parts: the handle, the top, the body, and the container. And I really like this finishing. It's made with full titanium and is conical burr. So when it's come to a hand grinder, what are the few things that we are looking forward to? For me, easy to use, and of course the most important is the distribution. But because we know that a good grinder will definitely helps a lot in making a good coffee. The looks and the handle, even the grinding experience, to me is quite similar to Comandante. Let's try to grind some coffee with this grinder. The size of this grinder is quite portable, like slightly smaller than my hand. And this grinder allows you to grind up to 30 grams. So usually my pour will be using 16 to 20 grams for one person. So here I'm trying to grind 20 grams. There are plenty of room. And I'm setting my grind size to 16. So they have a 20 knocks here. Similar to Comandante, you should just reset everything to 0. And then for 1 to 4 is not recommended. So you can start from 5. 5 to 9 will be recommended for espresso or mocha pot use. So 10 to 18, yep, is good for filter. And the knots, it can go up to 20 or actually 30. So let me try on 16. It's quite easy to grind, not really hard. And because of the body, it's slightly smaller than the Comandante, so it's easier for my hand to hold this. Okay. Done. One thing that I don't really like is the grit here. It's a bit sharp though. Although it's very nice that you can hold this and give you a very smooth kind of grinding, but because you want to hold it very hard, so here this part is kind of sharp for my hand. Yeah. So let's see. You can see the distribution is quite even. Not much retention. I like this hand grinder that is very sleek, very minimal, and it's very simple, and is titanium. It's full titanium. Okay, and inside is a conical burr. I always prefer conical burr over a flat burr, and it's a stainless steel conical burr inside. And in terms of grinding, because of the marking here, it allows you to know that where are you, and then easier for you to have a consistent brew based on the grind size that you know that you want to achieve. But one thing is that it might be a bit too heavy for a portable hand grinder, because the weight is around half a kg because of its full titanium build. Handling wise, I like it's very matte, it's so pretty. Again, the handling here, a little bit too sharp for my hand. And other than that, yeah, overall it still produce very consistent particles, and it still makes a very good coffee. In terms of taste profile, I did try it with a few different brew and different grind size, and it did give you a very clean cup. This grinder is priced between 350 to 400 ringgit. With this price range, I think it does a very good job in giving you a very good cup of coffee. If you're home brewers and you want to start making your coffee, or you want to get a portable hand grinder, with this price range, I think it's a good grinder to be considered. This is what I think about this new grinder. I think I would like to explore a little bit more about this. So if you're also using this grinder, do share with me what you think about this in the comments below. Or if you're interested to get any of these, you can check out the link in the description below as well. Thank you for watching another episode of We Review Coffee with Mel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe us, and on Facebook as well, We Review. And I will see you guys in next episode.